Hello everyone. Today I'm going to discuss about how to trade with candlestick psychology. So let's begin to trade. This is Euro USD. I can see uptrend here, but minor trend is down. And okay, this is a level. As you can see, this is a level which has been respected. Okay, and this time I can see strong buyer's entry. Okay, okay, I'm going with sellers. Oh, late entry. Okay, I have placed lower option here because minor trend is a down, and this is a strong candle. So I'm expecting here at least for on retrace candle, and after retrace then market can move up. But my entry point is little lower. Okay, so still I'm expecting. So I can go confidently with buyers when the level broken. But this time let me check. No, it's better to avoid this trade. Sorry. So in GB also same situation. You can see this was a seller's entry, again seller's entry. Okay, so I think market is trying to turn from this level. So it will confirm as soon as break this level. Okay, so I'm going with sellers here. Okay, I have placed lower option here because you can see trend is down, and this time you can see momentum here. Again buyers tried, but it U-turn, and finally it broke the level and strong sellers entry. And next possible buyer's entry is here. Okay, so actually I don't use any indicator because it's making me confusion. An indicator always gives you the signal after close the candle, but I can decide before close the candle. Okay, sellers entry. This is USD CAD. Let me close some pairs so that I can okay, see candle close at the level, exactly at the level. Okay, no problem. So strong buyer's entry, but I don't know this level will respect or not. But you need to remember that the major trend is up. So let's try to follow trend. Okay, I'm going with buyers because this is kind of seller's level. See, reach this level, but seller's entry, again seller's entry, but this time I can see there is no seller's entry. Okay, and this is a retrace. This is not good to trade. And as you know that from next week I am going to start online classes, so if you are interested, please contact me through my email. You can find the email in the description box below. I am going with buyers again because now possible sellers entry level is here. Okay, and still there is some gap. Strong buyers entry, though there has rejection, but it got reject from this level, so I can expect another buyers entry here. Okay, it's trying. Let's see end of the moment what happened. Okay, so if you are interested in the online classes, you can contact me. From next week I'll start the training as I announced before. Okay, so this is winning trade 2, but this is a breakout candle. Mostly it will reverse for 1 minute, but this is a strong momentum, so we should not believe this candle. Okay, it can reverse, it can make another bullish candle too. You need to see this is actually psychology, because most of we know this is kind of false breakout, and 70% time market will one of my subscriber write me about this. 70% time he is expecting reversal candle after this breakout. Yeah, this is okay too, but you need to check this area, how the area form and what is the trend. Okay, if this is a sideways, then you can not only 70, you can expect 90% time, but since this is uptrend, so you cannot predict. It can be sometime 50-52. Okay, see, reverse the market, but I have skipped this trade because of this. There is a confusion, and I'll try to place one more trade only if possible. Okay, here also same situation you can see, but here is little different. So different means in this pair most high risk, but here still there is some gap. See, this is most high, you can see it didn't hit, so you need to check all the point very carefully. In this pair you can see it hit this level and bounce back. Okay, so let me wait to close this candle, then I will place trade here. Buyer's entry, it's moving up. Okay, I'm going with buyers. Okay, I have placed here higher option, and if I lost, still I am okay with this trade because this is a strong momentum. This is a retrace candle. Again, buyers are tried, and next possible sellers entry point is here. That's the reason I have placed here higher option. So if I win, I will stop trading for this session. So, but I may going to lose here. Okay, so but buyers are trying. Okay, I'm going to lose this trade here, but it's supposed to not. Okay, no problem, I'm going with buyers again. I have placed another trade because of I have lost this trade. if this is a winning trade, then I'm supposed to stop trading for this session. Since I have lost this trade, so I want to place trade here, one more trade. That's the reason I have placed here higher option again, because still this is a uptrend, and this time I can see some buyers entry. Sorry, there is aeroplane, too noise. Okay, see buyers entry. What happened here? Let's try to make bearish here again. Okay, finally this is winning trade, but this is confusion. Okay, if possible I will try to place one more trade, or I will skip, but I will wait to close this candle because it's very confusing. According to this symptom, it can go again higher, but since this is a small buyer, so I want to skip this trade. See, if you consider, still this is I think good enough, because I have placed 6 trade. Out of 6 I have lost only 1 trade. It means about 85 to 90% winning percentage, 85 winning ratio. Okay, see, so this kind of market, please avoid trading, because you will not good result where you will place trade. See, at the end it will give you bad result. So better to avoid this kind of market and long weak markets. So wait for 1 or 2 candle, and at least wait for breakout this area, and then decide to place trades, something like this. So this is a small area, it will break within short time, but you need to wait for breakout here. Okay, so I don't want to make the video more longer, but if it break this level, I supposed to place another trade. Since it may take some time to break, that's the reason I will stop trading for this session. So thank you so much for watching. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe, and write me in the comments box below how do you feel about this video. Thank you.